So I think it's a contest now for property prices with affordability. If people can afford to pay it, they'll pay it. If they can't afford to, then they're not going to. And that's going to be demographic specific. That's going to be suburb specific. And I think there's really a two-speed market at the moment, and I think that will unfold even further as we go into like the later part of the year, where you've got people that are really struggling to pay their mortgages and pay for the inflated cost of goods, and then you've got the other people that do have the money, that are sitting on a lot of equity or a lot of cash, and they just want somewhere to live that's nice. Like, there might be the baby boomer generation where they might have sold out of Sydney or Melbourne, they've moved up to Brisbane, or they're just sitting on, cash, equity, whatever that is. So I do think that there's really a two-speed economy here, and I think the majority of people are in that affordability, as in needing a loan. If you have a look at the loan ratio, there's a lot of people that have paid off their home, but there's also a lot of people that need to buy a home with a mortgage. And that will be very demographic and very area specific to each area, and the demographic, the income that people earn in those areas, whether they've paid them off, that can change quite substantially suburb to suburb. If you've got a suburb or on the outskirts of a capital city where it's first home buyers, 99.9% of first home buyers are going to get a loan. If you've got an inner city suburb that's been there for a long time and people have owned their homes for 30 years, most of those homes are going to be paid off from the original owners, because those 20 or 30 year mortgages, they've got them paid off, and they might be sitting on $1 million or $2 million property that's fully paid off. So I hope that's given you an insight into what the property market's doing. You can download this report if you wish. This is only my opinion on this report from what I'm seeing on the ground in various different markets. But Heron Todd White, very highly respected firm, and I do respect the time and effort that's gone into this report. It is 100 pages long if you want to look up your specific area, but I wouldn't take what this report is saying and buy a property on that basis alone. I think it's a good starting point, but then I think you've really got to dive into certain suburb specifics, as well as the data at that point in time, and then what it's looking like it's doing over the next 6-12 months and beyond that. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, let me know and subscribe for more.